In this video we are going to see using class comparing two objects in Verilog. First we are declaring a module name with the data comparator, and we are giving two input. One is data 1 and data 2 with 8 bit and output also 8 bit, and our name for the output is equal, and we are defining the class for the module data comparator, and the bit here is provided is 8 bit. Using the function we are comparing the two objects. So function bit is a function is used to compare the two objects. We are giving the function is to compare. So the comparison is between data comparator and the other data. We are giving two data, so we are giving the another one is other name. So compare will check on whether the data is equal to other dot data, means if they are equal or not, then the function will be ended. So the class also ended. Next we need to initiate the object. For that we are using data comparator object 1 comma object 2, and always dash comparator begin will use to compare the object. So object 1 equal to new, object 2 equal to new. We are creating the object for them. Object 1 dot data, we are calling the data 1 object as object 1 dot data, and object 2 dot data equal to data 2. So if they are equal, object 1 dot compare object 2. So then end and end module. So now we are giving the test bench code module data comparator TB, and we are declaring local parameter the data with this 8 bits. So we are giving 8, and the logic is input. We have provided early what are the input we are declaring here, and the output is equal, logic equal, and we are initiating the module like function call method dot data 1 bracket of data 1 will call the function data 1. Likewise data 2 and equal. Then the initial begin statement will begin. Here we are giving numbers that will randomly generate. So we are using seed generation, automatic in seed equal to time. Random of seed is an inbuilt function that will generate numbers randomly. We are generating the numbers random for both data 1 and data 2, and then we are displaying, and as usual we are dumping the file, and then we are ending the module. So this is the output for the program. The values of data 1 and data 2 are displayed in the test bench using monitor display. The data comparator module compares the values of data 1 and data 2. The comparison result equal is displayed in the test bench using the monitor display. It will either show objects are equal if both the data 1 and data 2 are same, or objects are not equal if they are different. As the output is based on the random data, so it will vary each time when we run the simulation. The output will reflect whether the random values of the data 1 and data 2 are equal or not. If you want to see a specific output for a particular simulation, then we can use Verilog simulators such as Model Sim or VCS to execute the code and get the result.